Thank you for taking this course. I really hope you're enjoying it. And if you're getting a lot of value from the course, please take 15 seconds to leave an honest review. It really motivates me to make more courses in the future. And actually, I'll show you how you can leave a review in less than 15 seconds. So let's say you're taking this course right now, and in this example, I'm using a different course. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see the Back to Course tab. You can either click on that or right-click it and click on Open Link in a new tab. And you're going to recognize this dashboard. Once you're in this dashboard, in the top right-hand corner, click on the Write a Review button, and an option will come up, and you can choose the number of stars that you think this course honestly deserves. And if that's all you want to do, that's really great. You can just click Add Review, and you're done. Or if you'd like, you can enter your review title and add a short description of your review. So either way, I'd really appreciate it. It really does motivate me to make classes in the future. And that's it. You're done. So right now, please take 15 seconds and just pause this video and go leave an honest review if you're getting a lot of value from this course. Great. Thank you. And if you don't feel like leaving a review right now, that's perfectly fine. I hope you continue to get value from this course. And let's move on.